used 2 spoons of shea butter. Depends on how the volume of your hair. Then I used half a spoon of coconut oil. I usually use little amount. Then honey. I used quite a lot of honey because my hair is really, really dry. And if your hair is really dry, you need honey. I love using honey on my hair. After that, I used argan oil. That's argan oil treatment. Then I used Jamaican Black castor oil. I didn't measure. Just put according to when your ancestors tells you to stop, you stop. Then extra virgin extra virgin olive oil. Then avocado oil. After that, I melted all the butters and oil using the steaming method. Then I kept the mixture in the fridge because I wanted it to be thick before mixing everything together. Yeah, I added Damatol because I needed peppermint oil and it had peppermint oil, so I just added a little bit of it. No idea why, but you never can tell. You just keep trying. And I added 2000. Yeah, chambers 2000. I saw a chambers chapter 2000. I saw some reviews on how like it helps hair growth and all. Well, I just decided some of these products I'm trying them for the first time, so I'm not saying this is what has been helping my hair grow. This is the first time I'm using Damatol and Chambers 2000. And of course, I added my favorite conditioner. Actually, it's my only conditioner, and this is the last of it. And of course, we don't waste products where I come from. We don't waste anything. So, well, that's what I do in real life. I make sure to use everything. I think you should do that too. Don't waste any product. Things are expensive. I heard a lot about Moringa powder and how it's wonderful and all. It has a lot of nutrients, like a lot of vitamins and vitamins. I know. I just added 1 spoon. This is also the first time I'm using Moringa powder. I definitely plan to continue. Oh my god. how multi-textured your hair can be. Like I have the middle part of my hair probably 4B, and you see there's an island there. I wonder what she's doing there. Your hair might not necessarily look different after any treatment, because sometimes I used to think like that. Like whenever I do any treatment, I expect to see like a huge difference, and it's supposed to be all flashy and glam. Well, it's it will feel different. Yes, it feels good. I know it feels healthy and it's bouncing, but it's not magic. So don't expect your hair to like look different. Your hair is still natural. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, hit the bell so that you can get notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching.